Welcome to SAEs with Tech, where smart solutions meet busy lives. If tech can ease your day, you'll find it right here. Ladies, be honest. After a long workday, do you really want to come home to dusty floors, dirty tiles, and a to-do list that's longer than your arm? Between work, family, and life, who has the energy to vacuum and mop every single day? Cleaning eats away at your evenings and weekends, time you could use for your passions, your side hustle, or just a breath of peace. Introducing the ultimate time saver for your home, the Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner, a two-in-one smart cleaner designed for busy women who want clean floors without lifting a finger. Imagine coming home to spotless floors every day. More time to focus on your work or build your business. More evenings to relax with your family. More mornings to sip your coffee without rushing to clean. Multifunctional, two-in-one cleaning. It vacuums and mops in one go, saving hours of manual labor. Smart navigation, no more random bumping. It learns your space and cleans efficiently. Scheduled cleaning, set it and forget it. Clean while you're at work or asleep. Quiet and compact. It works without disturbing your calls, meetings, or sleep. Auto dock recharge. It knows when it's tired and recharges itself. Whether you're a 9-to-5er, a work-from-home warrior, or an entrepreneur hustling toward your goals, this robot cleaner frees up time you never knew you had. Let it clean while you're in meetings, handling clients, or catching up on emails. Manual cleaning, 4 to 6 hours per week lost. Robot cleaner, 0 hours lost. 100% clean floors. That's nearly 200 plus hours a year back in your hands. What could you do with that time? Launch your business. Learn a new skill. Actually, rest. So why waste energy on tasks tech can handle for you? Invest in your time. Invest in your peace of mind. Check out the Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner now. Link in the description. Like this video if clean homes and more free time sound like a dream come true. Subscribe to SAEs with Tech for more smart gadgets that work hard so you don't have to. Thanks for watching. At SAEs with Tech, we're all about saving your time and sanity with genius tech. See you in the next one.